Hello children, today we are going to talk about the Parsha. This week's Parsha, we have two Parshas again. One is Acharie and one is Kedoshim. Can you say that? Acharie, Kedoshim. Two Parshas, Acharie, Kedoshim. Let's sing our Parsha song. The Parsha of the week is Acharie, Kedoshim. Acharie, Kedoshim. Acharie Kedoshim. The Parsha of the week is Acharie Kedoshim. Parshat Acharie Kedoshim. Now, in this week's Parsha, there are a lot of things. We don't have time to talk about the whole Parsha and the whole other Parsha, but there's one mitzvah that I want to talk about today with you. And you'll see why. It's the mitzvah of Veahavta Leracha Kamocha. And you should love your neighbor like yourself. Now, whose favorite mitzvah was that? Can you remember who taught that mitzvah? We just spoke about that rabbi yesterday. You got it. Rabbi Akiva. Remember the song? Amar Rabbi Akiva, Amar Rabbi Akiva, Veahavta Leracha Kamocha. Amar Rabbi Akiva, Amar Rabbi Akiva, Veahavta Leracha Kamocha. Sheli shelach, 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 sheli shelach, shelach, shelach. Ze klal gadol b'Torah. What's mine is yours, I'll share with you. If you need me, I'll come through. This is a big part of the Torah. Rabbi Akiva talked about this mitzvah. It was his favorite one. And guess what? It's in this week's Parsha. What hashgacha pratis is that? So, let's see. What does this mitzvah mean? It means to love your neighbor like yourself. Can you tell me what that looks like? Well, I have a story to show you and talk about what that mitzvah is about. Let's see. This is Mommy, and this is Benny, her son. Mommy and Benny were going shopping. They went into the car and drove all the way to the stores. When they got to the store, they saw all different types of people. They saw big people and little people, people with dark skin, people with light skin, people in wheelchairs, people with glasses, all different types of people. When Benny and Mummy got to the cash register, there was a very lovely man there serving them out, checking them out. Hello, how are you today? Benny wasn't sure what he was saying. How are you? I hope you have found everything you need. I hope you have a nice day. Bye-bye. Benny and Mummy. When Benny left the store, he said to Mummy, Mummy, that man was so weird. He spoke in such a weird way. Mummy said to Benny, Benny, he must be from a different country where they speak a little bit differently. He doesn't speak weird. He speaks differently. Different isn't bad. Oh, Mummy, I understand. Now, what did you think when you heard the man's accent? Did you think it was funny? Did you think it was different? Did you think it was weird? When you see people who are different to you, do you think it's weird? Well, different is good. We don't want to all be the same. And when we can accept other people's differences, that is how we can respect them. And that's how we can do the mitzvah of Veahavta Leracha Kamocha. So let's say bye to Benny and bye to Mummy. Thank you, Mummy and Benny, for showing us about how to accept other people's differences. And now, friends, I have a song for you. You ready? This is a song from Uncle Moshe. It's about being friends. Oh, let's be friends, oh, let's be friends, and one another. Let's be friends, join together. Let's be friends, now and forever. Oh, let's be friends, 'cause that's the Torah way. Oh, let's be friends, and one another. Let's be friends and join together. Let's be friends now and forever. Oh, let's be friends, for that's the Torah way. Oh, let's be friends.
Hi, how are you? It's so good to see you. I've really missed you. How's everything? And how's the family? It's so nice to hear you. You look just great. Keep in touch.
Oh, let's be friends and one another. Let's be friends now one together. Let's be friends now and forever. Oh, let's be friends, for that's the Torah way. All right, friends, that's it for today. I hope you liked it. Before I go, I want to welcome someone very special on today. She's going to teach you how to do some art to do with the Parsha. I want to welcome the one and only Bluma Cohen.
Hello everyone. Today we will be doing fancy letters. We will be doing the words I love you because that's what Rabbi Akiva teaches us. We should love everyone like ourselves. Veahavta Leracha Kamocha. You will need a bunch of colors. So I have red, pink, orange, another light orange, yellow, green, blue, dark blue, purple, and light purple. You can have some of these colors, you don't have to have all of them. You can have more than all these colors. So, you ready? Let's do this. First, get your first color, mine is red, and you're gonna do a straight line down at the edge of your paper, and then do a line underneath it, and one on top, like that. Now get your next color out, and you're going to do a straight line up, and do a small line sideways, and then back down, but don't do all the way to the end. And when you get there, you should do a straight line out and down and back to the beginning. Great, good job. Now get your next color out, and instead of doing a O, we're going to do a heart because it looks the same, almost. So first do half a circle and go all the way down diagonally and do the same thing on the other side. Perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I think anything you do is perfect. So yeah, like that. Now get your next color out, and coming from the heart, we're going to make a V. So do a diagonal line out, and then go back up, and do a small line in, and then do the same thing but a little bit smaller. Like that. Great. To make my lines a little bit fatter, I'm going to go back in and make it a little bit fatter. Perfect. Now, you're going to get your next color, which is green for me. And out of the V, you're going to do a straight line down and then a small one up. And then from the top, do a line that's going out like that. And the same thing for the bottom. You're going to go back to the top, do a small line down, and the same thing for the bottom. And you're going to put them in, but not all the way in, just a little bit. And go a little bit down, and do the same thing, and you should leave a little bit of a space right there. And come out on both sides, and close it. Perfect. That's how you got your E. Get your next color out, and I'm doing it at the bottom, but if you have space on the side, you could do it there as well. Okay, right under the heart, do a diagonal line, not all the way down, just halfway, and we're going to make it a little bubble letter. So, like that, and do the same on the other side. And then we're going to put 2 lines down and close it. And you've got your Y. Now take your purple out, and we're going to make an O. So we'll make one big oval next to the Y, and put a small oval inside of it. Great. Now get your next color out, and this is the last letter. So go down and swoop it up, and do the same thing, but smaller. There we go, like that. Great job, you did all your letters. But now we're going to add an exclamation point. So you're going to need another color, and you're going to do a long triangle like that. And close it at the bottom, and then do a small circle right there. Go, that's how it should look. You can give it to anyone that you love, and I'm sure they'll love it, what you made, because I'm sure you did an amazing job. No, it doesn't have to be perfect. Like mine's not perfect. I have little lines over here. And if you want, you can color it in. That's another thing you can do to it. So, bye!